Here's a secret you'll never hear from any mechanic. There's one sensor failure that'll drain your wallet faster than a cracked head gasket. Most drivers ignore the signs until they're facing a $3,000 repair. Today, I'm shedding light on 17 symptoms of a failing camshaft position sensor. Most of these are the same problems mechanics charge hundreds to diagnose incorrectly. Later, I'll reveal the silent killer that can cost you over $10,000. Let's begin with a symptom that drives people crazy. Number 17, the temperamental start. Your car starts fine on Monday, but on Tuesday you crank it, but no start. Your mechanic will sell you a new battery, starter, and alternator, and never mention the camshaft position sensor. The camshaft sensor is supposed to tell the ECU the camshaft position, so the ECU can tell the fuel injectors when to spray gasoline. Without this signal, the engine won't start. So before you spend $1,500 on new parts, try cleaning the camshaft sensor first. Next, let's look at the one thing every driver hates. Number 16, the dashboard menace. 30% of US drivers ignore the check engine light for months, unaware they are slowly killing their cars. The cell code for the camshaft position sensor is a perfect example. Codes ranging from P0340 to P0349 relate to either the sensor or the wiring. When the problem is wiring, wrapping it with electrical tape can fix it. However, leave it for a month and you're risking catastrophic engine failure. I'll explain how later in the video. First, let's look at something that can make both you and your car sick. Before we move to the next one, hit subscribe. I'll give you a second. Done? All right, let's continue. Number 15, the gassy odor. A fault with the camshaft position sensor will cause fuel to be injected into the car but not burnt. As the fuel leaks out of the exhaust, you will smell it. This isn't just a minor inconvenience, but a $2,500 headache on the way. Once that fuel reaches the hot catalytic converter, it causes a massive spike in temperature that can melt its internal components. You also have to worry about fuel dilution, carbon deposit buildups, and carbon monoxide poisoning. As for the next symptom, it can cost you nearly $1,000 in diagnostic fees alone. Number 14, the hot and cold engine. So your car runs fine while it's cold, but as soon as it reaches the optimal internal temperature, it runs terribly. Before you spend a fortune on diagnostic fees, go with the simplest explanation. When a cam sensor is faulty, the internal electronics become more vulnerable to heat. This causes erratic changes in electrical resistance, leading to incorrect readings. Mechanics charge up to $140 per hour on diagnostic rates, chasing phantom problems. One customer forked over $980 before switching shops. But if you think that's bad, the next one is a $6,000 scam waiting to happen. Number 13, the erratic shifter. You'd never suspect a camshaft sensor affects your transmission, and unfortunately for your bank account, neither will a mechanic. The ECU relies on cam sensor readings for precise fuel and ignition timing, which affects gear changes. This can cause erratic or hard shifting, wrong gear selection, or refusal to shift. The shop will charge up to $7,000 a new transmission, when all you need was $50 for a new cam sensor. Here's a tip. If shifting is worse when the car is warm, inspect the cam sensor. The next symptom will confirm your theory. Number 12, the disappearing fluid. We hear a lot about how dead weight and ACs can tank fuel economy. What you don't know is that a failing cam position sensor can increase fuel consumption by up to 40%. That's an extra $800 in fuel costs annually for the average driver. A bad cam sensor causes the ECU to inject fuel at the wrong time. This also contributes to what we discussed in symptom 15. Unless you've got money to burn, track your mileage using the odometer and your gas station receipts. You're going to need that money for the next symptom. Number 11, the engine shudder. Mechanics love engine misfires because they can literally sell you whatever they want. New spark plugs, coils, injectors, MAF sensor, you name it. But before you spend $2,000 on a wild goose chase, whip out your code reader. Classic misfires tend to stay put in one cylinder, but when a misfire jumps around, that suggests cam sensor failure. Keep track of the misfires with your code reader. If you get 3 or more different cylinder codes simultaneously, suspect the cam sensor before buying parts. When an engine misfire gets bad enough, you'll also experience the next symptom. Number 10, the stoplight dance. When your car is at idle, the littlest inconsistency becomes a big problem. The throttle plate is almost closed, airflow and fuel are minimal, so park timing must be precise. Even a 5% variance in any of these will cause a rough idle. So if you didn't notice the engine misfires while driving, you'll definitely feel it at a stop. Before you spend your life savings on new plugs and coils, pop in your OBD2 scanner. If you see P0340, it's time for new cam sensors. Fix this immediately, because the next symptom could land you in the ICU. Number 9, the acceleration gamble. If your car lurches forward in waves instead of smooth acceleration, that's not an inconvenience, that's a tragedy waiting to happen. Over 1,105 people get injured each year due to sudden unintended acceleration. When a cam sensor sends incorrect valve position data, your spark plugs fire too early or too late. This creates power pulses instead of continuous thrust. Best case scenario, you have a minor fender bender. Worst case, your car gets totaled, and so does your bank balance. That almost makes the next terrible symptom look like a cakewalk. Number 8, the double backfire. If you ever hear a loud pop from your hood or tailpipe, stop driving immediately. Bad cam sensor data causes spark plugs to fire at the wrong time. If it ignites the fuel in the intake manifold, that backfire can ruin the throttle body, air filter, and the intake manifold itself. However, unburnt fuel can also ignite in the exhaust system, damaging the catalytic converter. Your $50 cam sensor replacement just turned into a $1,000 or a $2,500 repair. Before we get into the really expensive repairs, let's expose a bad habit most drivers are guilty of. Number 7, the marathon crank. Your car used to take 1 to 2 seconds to crank. Now it takes 6 to 10. That's because the ECU doesn't know which cylinder is on the compression stroke to fire the first spark plug and injector. Ignoring this problem will damage the battery, starter motor, the fuel system, and soon enough the cat converter. Unless you have $4,000 stashed away, fix starter issues immediately. And be on the lookout for problems that don't look like problems. Here's what I mean. Number 6, the mystery ping. As you're driving, you hear a sound like marbles in a tin can. That's pre-ignition or knocking, and the repair bill on this can knock your socks off. If the sensor tells the computer the cam is in the wrong spot, the spark might happen too early, causing pre-ignition. This mysterious sound can punch holes in your piston, leaving you with a $4,000 tab. Knocking is more frequent when driving under high engine load. However, a bad cam sensor can make it happen at any time, but watch out for even deadlier symptoms, like the next one. Number 5, the hesitation of death. When you're merging into traffic, the last thing you need is a dead spot or lag before the car moves. There are over 300,000 of these accidents each year, and thousands lead to fatalities. However, very few mechanics correctly diagnose the issue as a bad sensor. When the ECU takes too long to verify the cam position, it can cause a significant delay. You can narrow this down by cleaning the throttle body. If the problem continues, it's a sensor issue. Before we get to more life-threatening symptoms, let's look at another money pit. Number 4, the emission nightmare. If you can smell raw gasoline while you're driving, then you know for certain that you're going to fail an emissions test. As we've mentioned a few times, poor cam readings cause unburnt fuel to leak through the exhaust. This is not only bad for the environment, but will also destroy the catalytic converter. But it doesn't stop there. Next will be your oxygen sensors, then the variable valve timing solenoid. Altogether, you're looking at over $3,500 in repairs, depending on how quickly you respond. If you take too long, the next thing is way worse. Number 3, the accident magnet. When the cam sensor is really bad, the computer momentarily loses track of which cylinder needs fuel. So when you reach a stoplight, your engine will cut out. The risk factor for this goes sky high if your car also cranks for a long time before starting. Your frustration can quickly turn into a massive fender bender that your insurer won't bail you out of. Insurance covers accidents, but not those resulting from willful neglect or poor maintenance. Cause a 2 to 3 car pileup, and you could be out over $10,000. If you still don't take the hint, the next one will knock some sense into you. Number 2, the disappearing act. You're cruising at highway speed and suddenly the engine cuts power for a few seconds. It's just a momentary glitch and the power is back. However, your engine can also stall completely and not come back on. This happens when the cam sensor signal drops out completely, causing the ECU to kill fuel injection. The ECU is trying to protect the engine from severe damage, but it's risking your life in the process. An engine stall in your driveway is fine, but in front of a Mack truck, and your number will be up. That brings us to the worst one yet. Number 1, the brake escape. This one is absolutely mind-blowing, and the single reason why you must fix a faulty cam sensor immediately. If the cam sensor causes rough running or low idling, your car won't be able to generate the vacuum pressure needed to operate the brake booster. Your brake pedal will suddenly feel hard, like you're trying to stop a freight train. This was a common problem with the Buick Regal, but it can affect any car with a bad cam sensor. If you're not ready to meet your maker, spend the $50 for a new sensor. That wraps up the terrifying list of all the things that can go wrong when drivers ignore cam position sensors. If you don't like the idea of a cheap sensor ruining your expensive car, watch this: signs of a failing MAF sensor.